Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Microsoft 365 email in the new Outlook on your Windows desktop. If this is your first time adding an account to Outlook, select your email address from the list or manually type it in. Then select Continue. If you're still using Classic Outlook, select File and then Add Account. Now enter your Microsoft 365 password and select Sign In. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, you'll be prompted to approve the sign-in request. Outlook will prompt you to stay signed in to all your Microsoft apps for ease of use. To continue, I'm going to select OK. Once the email address is connected to Outlook, select Done. Depending on your email's default settings, you may be asked to review and apply security and personal settings to continue. And that's how you add your Microsoft 365 email to Outlook. I'm Emily. See you next time.